LinkedIn versus LinkedIn Premium. Watch before choosing. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you which version of LinkedIn is better among the free version and LinkedIn Premium. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, beginning with LinkedIn, LinkedIn focuses on professional networking and career development, offers a vast database of job listings and recruitment tools, provides industry news, trends, and thought leadership content. Great for B2B marketing and business connections, helps users build a professional online presence, not as socially engaging or entertaining as other platforms, primarily focused on text and professional content. Higher cost for advertising compared to other social media platforms. Now, let's come towards LinkedIn Premium. LinkedIn Premium provides advanced networking tools and more profile views. You can send email messages to any LinkedIn user. Provides detailed insights into job postings and how you compare to other applicants. Grants full access to LinkedIn Learning's extensive course library. Increases visibility to recruiters and offers additional analytics, but it requires a monthly subscription fee. Some users may find the additional features overwhelming or unnecessary, and for many users, the extra features might not be needed for effective networking. Choosing between LinkedIn and LinkedIn Premium in 2024 depends on your networking and career goals. The free version is great for basic networking and job searching, while LinkedIn Premium offers advanced tools, detailed insights, and access to LinkedIn Learning for those who want to invest in their career growth. Consider your need for enhanced features, learning resources, and networking tools to determine if LinkedIn Premium is worth the investment. That's all for this video.